502 in Alexandria, and we're going to take a look at a project that we did. We finished the basement of this house. Follow me. Okay, what we did was we took an unfinished basement and we finished it and made it beautiful for a rental. So follow me down. Okay, this is a little living room, and we have a little kitchenette here, and we have a nice kitchen, the bedroom back here, and this is the bedroom with a nice beautiful closet. Here is the bathroom. We were able to get a nice walk-in shower with a vanity, nice Kohler toilet, and was able to put a full-size washer and dryer in the bathroom to save space. And it's a beautiful bathroom, large, so you don't feel like you're in a hole. When I started finishing this basement, the only thing that it was block walls, concrete floor, and an unfinished ceiling. What I did was put in some recessed lighting, build some walls, installed some plumbing and electrical ductwork, and put in a brand new beautiful kitchen. We got these cabinets here, American Woodmark cabinets at Home Depot. We got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and was able to build a beautiful kitchen for the basement with a full-size dishwasher and stove, microwave and refrigerator. And still had enough room for a beautiful large-sized bathroom and a large bedroom. That's what you get from the Plumbery.